welcome back to our channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. How are you guys? Hopefully you're having a great week so far, and I gotta tell y'all about some road rage. This is like reverse road rage. I didn't cause the road rage. It was someone else's fault, and the guy road raged on me. This never ceases to annoy me. Does this happen to you? Like somebody else does something stupid and then they cuss you out and want to kill you and road rage on you? Does that ever, like, I know when I mess up in traffic, and I do, trust me, because I'm a horrible driver, guys, but I do get absent-minded and I mess up. Okay, that being said, I'm always like, I'm sorry, and then try to just scoot away as fast as I can. See, the other day, I'm driving, and it's on this long road that's just, 2 lanes. There's a side street coming out. Well, there's several, but I get to one side street, and I see this guy, 100, 200 yards ahead. I can see that he's not looking to me. He looked this way, and then just took for granted no one was coming and started to pull out. Then he sees me, and okay, so he stops. I guess it was my civic duty to let him go. No, ma'am. I didn't even give him a second look. I was just like, okay, you're stupid. And I sort of, veered around him and I kept going. He wheeled in behind me, girl. And he was flipping me off and F you stupid bitch. I mean, he was just, I could see him. And he was up on his wheel, just screaming and laying on the horn, girl. And I was like, you little biatch. Like, what was I supposed to do? Here I am driving, so it was annoying because he just kept on and on and on. And I was thinking, like, am I losing, like, am I having a stroke or something? I don't realize that I did something wrong. No, I'm in the right here. He's being crazy. So I see a parking lot up ahead, and I just think, like, I can't. I'm getting so much madder at this guy the longer that he's beeping, honking, and cussing me out, right? So I just decide to wheel in, let him safely pass, and I wheel in behind him. Well, he starts jacking up his brake on me. Yeah! All this. So I decide, you know what I'm going to do? I decide that I am just going to hold my phone up. I don't really record him. I don't take pictures. I just lean up on this steering wheel, and I just put my phone out like, really? Okay. And just kind of make a mad face at him. Girl, that's the best thing to do, because people don't want to end up on YouTube, on Facebook, anywhere looking like a Karen. He took off so fast in front of me. We got to a red light, and he was turning right anyway, but he didn't even look again. But he was like, he didn't even yield, didn't even stop, was like, bah. So yeah, I figured out that is one remedy. Other than that, get the heck out of there, because people are crazy. You don't know what they're going to do. Tell me your road rage stories. I love to hear stories from you guys and hear about them. Okay, so the reason that I came on today, just a really quick road rage story, and then to show you what I got in the mail in January. I don't know when you're watching this, because like I said, I said this before, I am recording ahead. But check this out. This is how this box, it came in taped, but check it out. It literally came in like this. I didn't do that. All I did was zip off the tape and open it up. But yeah, I don't know who didn't like what was inside. They decided they didn't want it, but they sure did. Try to look at what, yeah. But at least I got it, right? Okay. So I ordered some Rebecca Minkoff. So here's the story. Here's the story of a Rebecca Minkoff bag. Okay. Black, when you wear black, guys. I love to wear black because it's slimming. Supposedly. But the fuzzballs. Ugh! The effing fuzzballs. Anyway. What was I saying? Oh. So I found this bag on Rebecca Minkoff last year. Probably summer, because this looks like a 4th of July bag. And I think I told Yota and Autumn then, like, I really want this bag, but I think it was like $2.99. I was like, I don't want her that bad. Lucky for me, at Christmas time, right around there, I think I bought this right after Christmas, you know, Rebecca Minkoff's site sent out this text. It was like, you know, friends and family or secret saver. I don't even know what it was. Secret sale. So I got whatever the clearance price was plus 40%, which made this bag then, y'all ready for this? $78. I mean, it was like, it was meant to be. Girl, I had to get it. I mean, I had to. Right? So here she is. I didn't open it up, but I savored that. I did open the box up because I was kind of concerned, like, who's effing with my box? What's in the box? Remember that movie, Seven? That movie messed me up. And we went out and ate a steak dinner afterwards. Tell me how much steak I ate after I saw that movie. Very little. I got a doggy bag. All right, so y'all are like, girl, you saw that in the movie? Yeah, remember that? Guys, we used to go to the movies and watch something on the screen. It was amazing. Okay, so ta-da! Check her out. So I love this bag because this is a black color. It kind of, to me on the picture, looked navy. I guess is it navy? No, it's black. Okay, which I love. It had this white contrasting color in the middle, and then, bam! Girl, these sides were red. Now that I see it, it kind of looks a little orange, but on the website I thought it was red. But can you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell. But I just thought this was so cute. It has the black hardware as well, which I love. I just love Rebecca Minkoff. I love the feel of the bags. Yeah, this is giving me more of an orange tone than red now. I liked the red. I kind of like the idea of the red a little more, but I'm not throwing her back. No, she good. We're still friends. I still love her. We're still gonna do it in the dirt. No, we're still gonna, yeah, we're still gonna carry her. She's fabulous. Nothing bad to say about this bag. I love it. Let me get this stuff off here. This is why my room gets such in a tizzy, because I failed to unbox beforehand, and then I'm on here with you guys, and I'm like, hurry up! Beesh, hurry up! Oh, okay. All right, then. And then I just throw all the trash onto the floor. Oh, I hit myself in the lips. Okay. So, yeah, it's kind of an orangey color. I don't know. I like it, though. I think they do a chain really well. Rebecca Minkoff does a chain really, really well. And this is removable, so I'm noticing a lot of things. It's got a nice pocket back here with a magnet. Keep all your stuff in there. Nice little turn lock, which I just locked. Inside, you got your little dust bag. Little flannel dust bag. I like the touches. They, you know, they're everything, you know, that you wish Louis Vuitton would be, but for a fraction of the cost. So yeah, girl, this bag is everything. I love, love, love her. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it was $2.98 when I first saw it, and I was kind of like, my hair's killing me. I was kind of like, oh, I want that bag. I think it's gorgeous, but there's no way in hell I'm going to pay $2.98. So then, thank you. And this is more of a summery bag, right? It's, you know, the white, I don't know. At first I thought it was kind of patriotic, like 4th of July with the red, white, and this could be like a blue, but it's black. But it's still beautiful. What do you guys think? I think I got a great deal. I couldn't pass this up. I love it. I'm definitely going to carry her. Where? We ain't going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere, but I might put my stuff in her. The leather on these, ooh, she nice. Ooh, so nice. I love it. All right, so there you go. That is my newest addition to bags. Honey, what do you guys think? Tell me everything. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today for this short little video. I hope you guys have a special, happy rest of the week. I'm going to do a collab video coming up this weekend with Yota of Yota Style. And do me a favor and hit the like, hit the subscribe. Tell me your road rage stories. I'm ready. Tell me if you love my bag. Just tell me everything. I want to hear it. Have yourselves a great day. And remember, if y'all see my husband, though, shh, don't tell him nothing. Bye. So I realized this time last year, for 2019, I gave you an In Memoriam list of bags that I sold and parted ways with. And this year's no different. I'm going to do that again. So I will show you guys some bags that, yeah, unfortunately, we broke up. They moved on. And I will show you those bags now while I sing some heart-wrenching songs. I ain't missing you at all since you've been gone away. I ain't missing you since you've been gone. I can breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on. Yeah, yeah. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. Don't know what you got till it's gone. So yes, parted ways with all those bags this year. Out with the old, in with the new. Although I don't know that I'm going to replace most of those. But hey, we're going to have fun trying.